Okie dokie. One more time. This is actually the third time. Take number 3. So I just took this out of the wrapping, and then I saw this wonderful box, and it says, warning, you know, read the instructions before opening, but there's no instructions, so I just opened the box. So this is my first time looking at a CIVIVI, and I wanted to see what it's all about. First of all, nice package. I like the pouches. My Leon Ma came with a nice package like this. I like that. It's nice for storage. Won't get all jumbled around, and I just have kind of a storage area for my knives, so that's kind of nice. All right, there's the instructions. Interesting. Read this before opening the knife.
Okay, there we go. This is about maintenance. I wonder. High-performing tools, never disassemble the knife unless you are sure you can assemble it yourself. Never sharpen the knife yourself. Warranty, re-knife warrants the knife to be free from defects in the material. Please consult with it. Cool. Very nice.
I like the fiber cloth. Well done. Looks nice. Just have to wipe off my north arm. Alright, so what CIVIVI did I get? I got the Courser. I like this. I'm just checking it out. G10, a little bit of texture, nothing too crazy. It's a G10 backfish. I'll get all the specs and get that to you. I had that. Well, it doesn't feel like titanium. It might be though. It has a good spring. Right out of it. Looks pretty much on center. Liner lock. Nice pivot. Jibbing. I also brought the north arm Skaha out as a comparison. So here we go. First flip. Whoa. That thing just flew out of there. Nice. That's a good, like a swap sound to it. Detent. Nice detent. See, just no shaking going on. It's a good amount of detent there. I like that. One more time. Sucks it right in. Well, I will be doing a full JLQ impressions video. I'll tear it apart, check everything out. This thing does have ceramic ball bearings. I know that for a fact. I believe that is titanium, so I'll look that up. I'll get all the specs for you. Here's a quick size comparison though to the North Arm Skaha. Very similar in its construction. That's kind of why I brought it out here. So I'll definitely be comparing the two. This is by far one of my favorite knives. I mean, that action is incredible. I do like the sound of that, and just falls shut easy. This guy definitely might need a little bit of breaking in, but really like that action. That is nice. The design too, I mean, everything's very nice and angular. I like that a lot. CIVIVI. The Courser, CIVIVI Courser G10. I got the golden stainless steel liners. It says it's just the VG10. Forgot about that VG10 steel. They mark it. Yeah, right there. I mean, only $60 for this thing. It just warranted. These big splash. This is a company, this is We Knives, a little off-brand, definitely in the budget realm. Oh, you can see the detemp ball there. I didn't look at the lockup. Lockup looks a little shallow. Not bad, not bad. What about? Oh, I guess it's almost the full bit. Little texture jibbing there on the liner lock, but I mean it really does deploy. I mean it's not a heavy detent at all. I mean it's a really easy throw. And the sheet closes nice. So there you go. The CIVIVI Courser. Check it out. Stick back with me and I'll be getting you a lot more information on this guy. So thanks a lot. Take care, everybody.